Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 10 Public Exam Question Paper Answer Discussion. Already we have discussed till 45th. Now moving on to 46th question, Part 4. Write a paragraph of about 150 words by developing the following hints. Okay, here you can write a paragraph. Two are there. You can write any one. So A. There was an island. Prospero and his daughter Miranda. Ariel was a chief. Storm created. Ferdinand and Miranda. Prospero ungentle. Prospero's brother. King of Naples. Repented. Ariel dismissed. Okay. So, this is kuttiya irukudhu. We have to make it big. That is the only thing. Write title and moral in the end. So, title, The Tempest. There was an island. Prospero and his daughter Miranda were the inhabitants of the island. Ariel was the chief of all spirits. Prospero created a storm and made the enemy ship wreck. Ariel, his servant, carried out the orders of Prospero. The crew members landed in different parts of the island. They were made to suffer in the island. Miranda and Ferdinand fell in love. Antonio was the name of Prospero's brother. The king of the Naples helped Antonio. Prospero trusted his brother Antonio. Later, Antonio repented for his misdeeds. Prospero forgave everyone. In the end, all set sail from home. Moral is forgive and forget. Okay, zigzag also. The question is there. You can write answer on your own, children. B is Dr. Ashok T. Krishnan. Zigzag, Somu's pet. Children, happy. Bird can talk. Sing, zigzag, unmoved. Sulking, snoring. Neighbors complaining. Seventh day, Somu's email. Zigzag in the clinic showing strange genius. Alright, so this you can write, expand and write. You will get a beautiful answer. Dr. Ashok T. Krishnan was a child specialist. One day, Dr. Somu called him and asked him to keep his pet Zigzag with him as he was going to Alaska for a purpose. The specialities of Zigzag are, it is harmless and unusual bird. It was bred by a genuine African witch doctor. Somu said that the bird is an absolute treasure and the real help. It could talk and can sing in about 21 different languages. When Zigzag was brought to the house by the cook Vishu, Zigzag was standing cool and unmoved. It did not speak a single word, but it kept on sleeping and began to snore. The neighbors started to complain as their eardrum started to ache. Hence, Dr. Krishnan left an email for asking him for a clear explanation on how to stop Zigzag from snoring. After 7 days, he received a simple email stating that Zigzag had never slept. So, Dr. Krishnan took Zigzag to his clinic. There, Dr. Krishnan saw a complete transformation and a genius bird. He was extremely glad to have the absolute treasure Zigzag. சரியா, அதை குட்டி குட்டி ஹின்ஸை டெவலப் பண்ணி பெருசாகிட்டோம். இந்த மாதிரி பெருசாக எழுதும்போது யூ வில் கெட் குட் மார்க்ஸ். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், மூவிங் ஆன் டு 47th question. Read the following paragraph and answer the questions that follow. Water use in a country depends very much on its efficiency in water use. Even in most technologically advanced country, the efficiency of irrigation is only 30%. As the people of California in the United States of America and Israel use water ethically and with enormous care, the efficiency in use is high. They are so good in water management activities. For example, drip irrigation has been used in Israel as well as California to best effect. the farmers and horticulturalists make the water drip drop by drop at the roots of the crop plants. This system of irrigation has now come into use in India too. With this method of irrigation, a high output of crops is being harvested with small amount of water. In this way, salination of the lands is also averted to a great extent. So, reading this passage, you have a few questions. Okay, questions are: why is the efficiency in water use high in some countries? So, the answer is, as they use water ethically and the water enormous care. Second question is, explain drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is where water is made to drip drop by drop at the roots of the crop plants. Drip in a sottu neer pasana. C. What is the result of the use of drip irrigation? A high output of crops is being harvested with small amount of water. D. Give the appropriate meaning for the word ethically. In a morally good manners or correct manners or in a ethical manner. Choose the word opposite to efficiency. Efficiency or opposite. Inefficiency or carelessness or incapability. Okay, moving on to, actually you can write anyone, either prose comprehension or poem comprehension. Poem comprehension I'll read, listen. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you are trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debt are high, and you want to smile, but you have to sigh, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but you don't, you quit. Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint of the clouds of doubt, and you can never tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems afar. So stick to the fight when you are hardest hit. It's when things go wrong that you mustn't quit. Okay. The question is, when do you want to smile but sigh according to the poet? So the answer is, according to the poet, when our funds are low and debt are high, we want to smile but sigh. Okay. நம்ம கடன் இருக்குது, கஷ்டம் இருக்குது, ஆனால் ஸ்மைல் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க, நம்மனா பெருமூச்சு விடுறோம். Second question, explain the line, when care is pressing you down a bit. Negative feelings arise out of our own unfulfilled desires. Negative feelings, சரியா? Alright, see, what seems afar? தூரமாக இருக்கிறது இதாக்கும். Success seems afar. Fourth one, give a suitable title for the poem. The title suitable for the poem is Don't Quit. Okay, never quit. Anything will suit. And one தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும், already supplementary there was a comprehension that carries only 1 mark. But here, this is unseen comprehension. Hence, it carries 2 marks per question. Okay, so you have only 4 questions. 4 into 2, 8 marks. You can either write poem comprehension or prose comprehension. Okay, children.